Hi guys, great day. Hindi pa ako nasa bakasyon. Mukha lang po magandang lugar pero I'm in the hospital right now. Kakagaling lang namin dun sa room ng mama ko. Remember I told you that she got sick and she's in a very critical condition. She went home to be with the Lord na just a while ago. And I would like to say thank you. I'll make this vlog to say thank you sa mga people na nag-support, nag-pray, and even to those who have naghanap talaga ng panahon to visit us here in the hospital and also to message me. I know she's in better hands now, and I believe na kahit ano man ang mangyari, it's ganun yun eh. She will be in a place where there will be no pain, no more tears, and siguro talagang hanggang dun na lang talaga yung time niya. But I would like to say thank you to everyone. And also, if you wanna really know the real-time updates, I will put the link on the description below. Doon po sa mga vlogs ng kapatid ko na si Pedro Villones. But sometimes in life we face things like this. We face loss of a family member. Somebody just went ahead with us, lalo na ako, my mom's my superhero. She's the one na talagang naging reason why I'm doing what I'm doing now, and I'm being this inspiring, and I have been this wonderful speaker and all those stuff because she trained me and she reared me well. And it's so sad lang kasi the day pagkatapos ng kasal ko was the day that she got sick, and tuloy-tuloy na yon hanggang sa ngayon that she went to be with the Lord. But if you ask me na will I still be stopping na mag-inspire sa inyo, this is just something that would not stop us in hoping for the best, because I believe na yung pag went home niya with the Lord is the best for her, because imagine no pain and no more tears. Yes, we will be missing her, but I know she's in better hands, in better place now, kasi hindi naman namin pwede siyang alagaan kagaya ng kondisyon niya ngayon doon sa langit. Anyway guys, kaya kayong may mga pamilya dyan na buhay pa, and lalo na parents natin, let's just honor them and love them, because we don't know when their time will be. So yun, maraming salamat sa lahat. You can send me messages of comfort, and for those who want to support, marami pa kaming mga bayarin and things like that. If you want to support us, just email me. It's right there down in the description below. Pero more than the support and the stuff, I would like to thank you all for the love. And this is Ryan, and thank you for subscribing to my channel and for watching my updates. This is one of the reasons why wala po tayong mga updates in this past few weeks because of this thing. But hopefully we're gonna have more. And kahit ano pa man ang mangyari, tatanungin niyo ako if I still believe. Yes, I do. The best is coming. Great day, guys.